Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best NinjaTrader Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have XTB. XTB is a globally recognized online trading platform offering access to a wide range of financial markets. Established in 2002, the company has grown into one of the world's leading brokers, providing innovative trading solutions through its proprietary xStation platform. XTB is regulated by top-tier financial authorities and serves traders across multiple countries. The broker is committed to empowering traders of all experience levels with advanced tools, educational resources, and competitive trading conditions. The broker offers a wide range of trading instruments, giving traders access to global financial markets. The broker provides trading in Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, allowing for portfolio diversification across different asset classes. XTB offers advanced and user-friendly trading platforms designed to enhance the trading experience for both beginners and professionals. Their flagship platform, xStation, provides intuitive navigation, advanced charting tools, real-time market analysis, and fast trade execution. Available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, xStation ensures seamless access to global markets anytime, anywhere. Additionally, the broker also provides trading through the NinjaTrader Forex trading platform. XTB offers flexible trading account types designed to suit the needs of different traders, whether for beginners or experienced professionals. Their accounts feature competitive spreads, fast execution, and access to a wide range of financial instruments. These accounts include the standard and pro trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. The broker offers comprehensive educational resources to support traders at all experience levels. The broker provides free courses, webinars, market analysis, and trading guides to help traders enhance their skills. Overall, XTB is a trusted and innovative broker that provides traders with a comprehensive range of financial instruments, advanced trading platforms, and valuable educational resources. With its focus on security and customer support, XTB offers a seamless trading experience for both beginners and experienced traders, whether through competitive account types, expert market analysis, or powerful tools. XTB is dedicated to helping traders achieve their financial goals in the dynamic world of online trading. At number 4 on our list is FXPro. FXPro is a multi-asset, fully regulated online Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2006. This award-winning broker uses an order book execution engine and offers competitive trading conditions and ultra-fast, no-dealing desk execution with deep liquidity. As a FXPro client, you can choose from more than 2,100 tradable instruments to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals, indices, shares, energies, and cryptocurrencies. FXPro provides all the tools, resources, and features you need to make informed decisions with your trades, and there are several different platforms that you can trade on when trading with this broker. Whether you are new to trading or an expert, FXPro provides beginner to advanced learning material, and beginners can practice using a risk-free demo account. More than 1.8 million people worldwide are currently trading on FXPro, and they have received more than 90 awards since launching in 2006. FXPro offers a total of 5 types of trading accounts, and also gives clients the option to use demo accounts and swap free accounts. The trading conditions of FXPro's accounts are designed according to the platforms they are used with, and most accounts allow hedging and use a no dealing desk execution model. With FXPro, you will be able to use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, and the official proprietary FXPro trading platform, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXPro provides educational resources for beginners to advanced traders, covering the topics of trading basics, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and trading psychology. These learning modules are divided into lessons, and there are also videos you can watch to learn more about trading habits, currency pairs, and market players. You can also visit the help section or contact customer support if you need any help or advice regarding a particular issue or question that you have. Coming in at number 3, we have City Index. City Index is an award-winning forex broker that is authorized and regulated in the United Kingdom and is a subsidiary of StoneX Financial Limited and Gain Capital Holdings Incorporated. They are listed on NASDAQ, and they currently have more than 35 years of industry experience with nearly 300,000 clients from all around the world. City Index offers competitive spreads on all their account types, and there are more than 12,000 indices, shares, forex pairs, metals, bonds, options, and commodities that you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. In addition to providing updated, in-depth market news with plenty of articles on trending market topics and a variety of educational resources, you will also be able to use a wide range of trading tools, and they offer professional and premium accounts for traders who are ready to take their portfolios to the next level. City Index offers only one type of live trading account, but there are 2 types of demo accounts you can open and a VIP professional account. The standard account is suitable for all types of traders, including beginners. The minimum deposit required to activate this account is £100. However, your account can be funded using a variety of currencies, including the US dollar and euros. If you are an experienced trader and you are looking for a more personalized experience, with more advanced trading tools and more flexible trading conditions, then we would recommend applying for a professional account. As a City Index client, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform and the City Index proprietary trading application. Their mobile application is designed to be beginner-friendly, with all the tools and advanced features that more experienced traders need to take their trading to the next level. It comes with intuitive, configurable charting tools, real-time price alerts, and over 80 technical indicators. This app can also be used on desktops, and you can use it as a demo account first to test out the tools and features offered. With City Index, account holders who want to engage in copy trading can do so through the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 supports traders looking to run their own algorithmic programs, and it is also possible to install the third-party software, Expert Advisors, which allows City Index clients to apply the trading signals of others onto their own account. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend opening an account with City Index, because you can open multiple demo accounts, and you will be able to use your demo account for up to 7 weeks. Once you've opened a demo account, you can visit the training section on the website to access a variety of detailed introductory courses, guides on trading strategies, and high-quality courses that are designed for beginners and professional traders respectively. There are many advantages to trading with City Index, But what we like most about them is that they are regulated by multiple top-tier agencies across several jurisdictions, and they offer thousands of tradable instruments with accounts that are suitable for absolute beginners and high-net-worth professionals. City Index has been awarded for having one of the best platforms for active traders, and their professional account could be a great competitive advantage in the markets. At number 2 on our list is Forex.com. Forex.com, a prominent online forex trading platform, offers a wide array of tools and resources tailored to suit traders of all levels of experience. With a user-friendly interface and advanced trading technology, Forex.com provides access to a diverse range of currency pairs and competitive pricing. Whether users are seeking to diversify their investment portfolio or engage in speculative trading, Forex.com remains a trusted destination for navigating the dynamic world of forex trading. Forex.com offers a comprehensive range of market instruments designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from major, minor, and exotic forex currency pairs to indices, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, as well as gold and silver. Forex.com provides access to a wide spectrum of trading opportunities. Traders can capitalize on global market movements with precision and flexibility, utilizing advanced trading tools and resources available on the platform. With competitive pricing and reliable execution, Forex.com ensures that traders have the tools they need to navigate the financial markets effectively. Forex.com offers a selection of advanced trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders, providing seamless access to global financial markets. Their platforms include the NinjaTrader 5 trading platform, the Forex.com proprietary web and mobile platforms, as well as the TradingView trading platform. With a variety of trading platforms to choose from, Forex.com caters to traders of all levels of expertise and preferences. Forex.com offers a variety of trading account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders, ensuring a personalized trading experience. These account types include the standard, MetaTrader, and raw trading accounts, along with demo and Islamic account options. The broker provides options to suit every trading style. With a range of account options and features, Forex.com empowers traders to tailor their trading experience to their specific preferences and goals. Forex.com offers a wealth of educational resources designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. From comprehensive educational articles and tutorials covering fundamental concepts to advanced trading strategies, Forex.com provides valuable insights for traders of all levels. Additionally, the platform offers live webinars and seminars conducted by industry experts, offering real-time market analysis and trading insights. Traders can also access a wide range of trading tools and resources, including market analysis, economic calendars, and trading calculators, to enhance their trading decisions. Overall, Forex.com stands as a premier destination for traders seeking access to the dynamic world of forex trading. With its comprehensive range of market instruments, diverse selection of trading account types, advanced trading platforms, and wealth of educational resources, Forex.com is dedicated to empowering traders of all levels to achieve their financial goals. Whether traders are looking to diversify their investment portfolios, engage in speculative trading, or enhance their trading skills, Forex.com remains a trusted partner in navigating the global financial markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best NinjaTrader Forex brokers, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a leading global brokerage firm that provides a comprehensive range of financial services to individuals and institutional investors. Known for its advanced trading technology, the firm offers access to a wide array of asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and commodities. across more than 150 markets worldwide. The platform also supports cryptocurrency trading through select providers. With competitive pricing and advanced trading tools, Interactive Brokers enables investors to trade a wide variety of assets efficiently and strategically. Interactive Brokers provides a suite of powerful trading platforms designed to meet the needs of both beginner and professional traders. Their flagship Trader Workstation offers advanced charting, market analysis tools, and algorithmic trading capabilities. The Interactive Brokers client portal provides a user-friendly web-based platform for managing accounts and executing trades. For traders on the go, their mobile app delivers a seamless trading experience on smartphones and tablets. Additionally, the Interactive Brokers APIs allow for custom trading solutions and automated strategies. Interactive Brokers offers a variety of trading account types, tailored to the needs of individual traders, investors, and institutions. Individual and joint accounts are available for retail traders, while institutional accounts cater to hedge funds, financial advisors, and proprietary trading firms. The platform also provides specialized accounts, including retirement accounts, trust accounts, and accounts for small businesses. With flexible funding options and competitive pricing, Interactive Brokers ensures that clients can choose the account that best suits their trading and investment goals. Interactive Brokers offers a wide range of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. The Interactive Brokers campus provides webinars, courses, and trading guides covering various financial topics. The Traders Academy offers structured lessons on trading strategies, market analysis, and platform tutorials. Additionally, clients can access market commentary, research reports, and real-time news updates. With these comprehensive learning tools, Interactive Brokers supports traders at all levels of experience in making informed investment decisions. And those are some of the top 5 best NinjaTrader Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.